Hello, here's Dakar. So today we're gonna talk about why our 5G phone is still slow. Though our location and our SIM is 5G already. So we have two ways to make it fast or to resolve this problem. First way, we have to go to the setting of the phone, and my phone is Tecno Camon 30 5G. Select SIM and network settings. So as you can see, we have two SIM card. The another. My SIM 1 is Token Text and my SIM 2 is Globe. So let's say for example, we are going to use Globe as for our data. And as you can see at the top, we have 5G signal indicator, and that's our problem. If your phone has the same signal indicator, 5G, there will be a fluctuation of the signal. That's why our phone is slow, our internet or rather. So what we are going to use to do is we have to turn the another SIM into 2G or 3G auto. So select SIM 1 token text and select preferred network type. Select 2G or 3G auto so that we can resolve our problem. Now let's test the data of this phone. Open the data and browse anything. And ta-da! It is fast. And now let's move to our second way. Well, by the way, our second way, it has something to do with the developer option of the phone and the engineering mode. So we have to turn the developer option, go to the setting, system, and developer option. Turn that on and dial your engineering code. So in the case of Tecno, the engineering code of this is asterisk sign number 9646633. Sign number asterisk. Taran! And this will be appear on your screen. Then scroll down, select network selecting, and select SIM 2, and select which do you prefer in this network, either GSM only or 3G, LTE only or 4G, or NR only or 5G. So I hope you learn from this video, and thank you.